Okay, darn electrons accelerating to the left. To the west. The electric field is to the west, but the acceleration will be the other way. Okay, so we're going to use two formulas here, F equals ma, and we're going to use E as F over Q. Okay. We also need to know that the mass of the electron is 9.11 times 10 to the minus 31st kilograms. That's in the data pack. We also need to know the charge of the electron is the opposite of the elementary charge is equal to negative 1.602 10 to the minus 19th coulombs, right? All of this stuff we need to know. Okay, so what's the acceleration? Let's figure this out. I think force will be EQ. I think that acceleration is just force divided by mass. So therefore it's EQ over mass. So therefore it's negative 1.602 times 10 to the minus 19th. That's my Q, sorry. And then my E is 317 newtons per coulomb west. And then my mass is 9. I typed in this is Q and that's E, sorry about that. 9.11 times 10 to the minus 31st kilograms. And our masses are all positive, right? Okay. So let's do this. Let's see. Opposite of 1.602, E minus 19 times 317 divided by 9.11. You can see that this is going to be a tremendous number, right? Because the mass is so small. So I'm getting that the acceleration is negative 5.57 times, whoops, 10 to the 13th. Meters per second squared, right? And this is to the west. Well, negative to the west is to the east, right? So the acceleration is going to be 5.57 times 10 to the 13th meters per second east. Ta-da. There you go. So when I think about this, right, here's west, here's east. Okay. If there's an electric field that's to the west, that means that there's either positive charge in the east or negative charge in the west, or it could be both. We could have a couple plates here. We'll talk about that, right? It's coming up, right? And if we have an electron here, okay, the electron, and for sure the electric field is to the west. Okay, positive charge would go to the west, but a negative charge in this situation would flee this and head toward this. Okay, so that's why this thing is accelerating east. It also mathematically came out as negative west. Okay,